Yep.
and the cheese. So I gave him one of the slices of apple.
And I would say that little cube thing was
Jicama.
called jicama. Okay.
Because you were asking me what jicama was, and I'm like, I'm not exactly sure how to describe jicama other than just to eat it.
Well, just
It's
to
pretty
be
good.
well, jicama sounds like a word you say when you sneeze.
Or just something like this. Jicama.